Yo, Lesh.
Yo.
People been asking me on the streets when I would drop in another hit, man. I'm like confused now.
Yo, bro, you know, been busy all this shit, Minaj and Nash nigga. But they all can't wait for the shit that's coming our way. I mean, like, it's gonna be vibing here. We're gonna celebrate, like.
Freaky Friday, we party with the strangers. On the weekend, we're vibing with the siblings. Books mixed up inside a cooler. We ain't popping champagne, gotta pop smoke. I gotta be the best in the party. Take it to the top, call a party. Make a lot of money when I'm grinding. West Coast, where my goons make a moolah. I can try to make a story like a novelist. Take a bitch, get away, make a movie. Makameli, I'm a rockstar. Rock a shine like a star, like a bling bling.
My style, your style. Together gotta let it shine. Your style, my style. Together gonna make it wiki. Diggy, it's gonna be fine. Hey, it's gonna be fine. You don't wanna miss this type of fight. Wiki, diggy, it's gonna be fine. Hey, it's gonna be fine. You don't wanna miss this type of fight. We gonna vibe all night, whoa, until we drop daylight. Whoa, we gonna vibe all night, whoa, until we drop daylight. Whoa.
Hey, you like that, right? Even when you hate when I try, right? Even in the dark, I'm your light, right? Yeah, I get it, I'm Lesh anyway. You can hit it, visit if you like any day. We gon' take it down. You don't have to worry about my silly baby mom. Diggy, turn around, let's dig it. I got this thing so big, banana. Need a crazy chick that smoke marijuana. Chicka boom, Nairobi. I got my squad tryna do Nairobi. Don't do it. Even when you drunk, don't blow it. Shout out to YP, man, we got it, yeah, we got it. What try and do, bitch? What try and do?